Planning to explore Bratislava without dragging your bags everywhere? RadicalStorage provides a quick, secure solution for storing your luggage while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Bratislava through RadicalStorage, a trusted platform offering insured storage services. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure that your belongings are stored safely and fully insured while you explore. Instead of searching online and risking phishing scams, use the secure link in the video description to access the official RadicalStorage website. On the site, simply enter Bratislava in the search bar, and you'll see a variety of storage options around the city. Select a location that best suits your plans, whether near popular attractions, transport hubs, or the city center. Next, choose your desired drop-off and pick-up times and proceed to payment. RadicalStorage guarantees safe online payments, giving you peace of mind while booking. Once your reservation is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to the chosen luggage storage location. Upon arrival, present the reference number to the staff, who will securely store your bags for you. Now you can explore Bratislava with ease, knowing your luggage is safe with RadicalStorage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.